Thank you very much, Pemsek. It's good to welcome you back. This is an update on the situation in our country. Good evening, fellow Zimbabweans. Once again, government is here to give you a national situational update. Government would like to thank the peaceful Zimbabweans who heeded the call to resume their normal routines in the aftermath of the violent disturbances of last week. We are pleased to note that the security situation is normalized and all peace-loving Zimbabweans are freely conducting their day-to-day activities without hindrance. To our diplomatic community, tourists, investors, and all our other guests in the country, government would like to assure you that the peace that Zimbabwe is well known for is prevailing throughout the country. With regards to the fuel issue, government would like to inform the public that the situation is slowly normalizing. Government has put in place a facility that will ensure that adequate fuel is available to the motoring public. The only minor challenge is logistical. Fuel trucks were disrupted by the violent disturbances of last week, hence could not ferry fuel to service stations. To expedite fuel delivery, government has allowed fuel trucks to move even during the night, making deliveries. On the issue of fuel coupons, which were purchased prior to the latest fuel price review, whose face value is being discounted by 60%, resulting in a 20-liter coupon being valued at 8 liters. The Ministry of Finance and Economic Development is engaging the concerned fuel companies to expeditiously address this issue. Over the past few weeks, transport fares had risen beyond the affordability of the commuting public. People were paying as much as $5 for suburbs within Harare. In line with the Transitional Stabilization Program's thrust to modernize the entire national transport system in the country, starting from Monday, 21st January 2019 at 5 a.m., government, through the Zimbabwe United Passenger Company Zupco, will be launching an urban mass transport system to complement the existing commuting system. The system, which will be operated by Zupco, will see commuters paying affordable fares. For example, all suburbs within Harare will be $1 per trip. A trip to Chitungwiza to city will be $1.50 per trip. Norton to city will be $2 per trip. That is Zupco. These affordable rates will apply to other towns and cities. The modernization of the mass public transport system will ensure low-cost, efficient, and professional service to the commuting public, as well as reduce the country's fuel costs and decongestion, which you find in the central business district, as buses carry more people compared to smaller forms of transportation. Government is working on further plans to modernize our whole national transport system at rates which are affordable to the ordinary person. Government assures the public that more buses will be procured and other provinces included in this mass bus transport project. In addition, government has put in place adequate security to protect the buses and our people. We thank everybody who is working hard to build the Zimbabwe that we want. We thank you for having our children back in school. our shops opening doors to the public, and everyone resuming their normal day-to-day activities. And we would like to assure you that your security is fully guaranteed. I thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Ministers would field questions.
I just want to ask on the buses.
Sorry, well, let's set a bit of order, Kuda. Let's start with Janet.
Yes, Minister, I'm sure the mass transportation system that you've talked about is a very welcome development, but I'm worried about the capacity of Zupco. Does it have the capacity to service the urban centers, and also what mode of transport, what mode of payment will people be using?
Okay, let's take 2 or 3.
As directed by the Minister.
Yeah, 3 or 2.
Kuda?
I just wanted to ask if there is a specific number of buses that are going to be available. I want to find out, could this interim measure, is it for Harare only or is countrywide?
Thank you. Third, sorry, I forgot your name.
Robert from SlyMedia Tv.
Robert, hi. Please.
I just want to find out, should the motorists hold on to their coupons until the talks are over, or because you mentioned something?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, on the question which was fielded by Janet, on the capacity of Zupco, we have got here the Deputy Minister of Transport, and I would like him to take away.
Well, the structure that is in place, as the Honourable Minister has intimated, revolves around Zupco. There are sufficient buses to deal with the issue at hand, which is dealing with ensuring that the public who have not been able to travel to work or to schools are going to be able to go to work on Monday. So the buses are in significant and sufficient numbers to carry everyone who must travel on Monday.
I think the other question was about the mode of payment, which is we've got one mode of payment in this country.
Well, 3.
3. It's either swipe or Eco Cash or cash. The other question is that I think he has covered already the specific number. He has already answered to that. The issue of the coupons. You would like to tackle that?
Okay, thank you. The talks. Thanks, Robert. The talks have already started between the Ministry of Finance and our fuel operators. They expect to have completed these negotiations by Tuesday at the latest. So for now, it's really up to the person who is holding coupons what they want to do with them. But I think the best advice is for them to hold on until these talks are over.
I've actually been holding on to my own coupons. And we hope this will be solved.
You asked for yourself, not the public. Sorry, I can't remember the name.
Leon is called.
Leon. Okay. Thanks, Leon.
Honourable Minister, you stated that the situation is normalizing. So when can Zimbabweans expect the internet to be brought back up?
Thank you, Leon. Any other question? This will probably be our last round, if that's okay with the ministers, honourable ministers?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Right, so 2 more. If there is no other question, we'll just tackle Leon's question. Honourable Minister, over to you.
Okay, thank you very much. I think, like we did say in the past, internet is actually on now, isn't it? Yeah, I think what is not on is the social media, WhatsApp, Facebook. And we also feel that we talked about the issue of social media being a threat to the national security. And we feel that we understand that communication is important, information is power, but these are issues which are being dealt with by the national security of the country, and I'm sure as soon as they are ready to open it up, we will be told and we'll be coming back to the public to inform you. Yes.
Thank you all for coming.